Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for September 1 to 15, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. Extended yan hanggang September. So kung gusto nyo mag-book, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And pa-like, share, subscribe na rin dito sa ating channel. And comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Meron tayong free one question tarot reading. So comment lang kayo ng inyong question at pipili tayo ng mababasahan. Paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. So maaari kayo makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, Leo. Let's see. September 1 to 15, 2025. What is the energy for Leo? Overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, money, career, finances, and love life and family. So, takpan lang natin tong baka ma-call out tayo. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. So, things are getting slow or parang feeling mo parang ang bagal, no? Ang bagal ng takbo, ng oras, ang bagal ng improvement ng mga projects mo, ng mga sinimulan mo, or life in general. Yung parang feeling mo, bakit walang masyadong ganap, walang excitement, but, minsan ganun eh. Ganun talaga minsan eh. Kailangan, we should learn how to slow down. Kasi pwedeng in the past, mabilis ang takbo ng mga pangyayari at may mga bagay na nakalimutan ka ng bigyan ng attention, and ngayon, it's like the universe is telling you na, it's time to, put your attention to the things na pinabayaan mo before, no? Yeah, you have the Six of Pentacles. This is bringing balance in your life, no? Lalo na sa career, trabaho, sa business ninyo. Syempre, pwede ring may kinalaman rin sa health nyo, kalusugan ninyo, kasi the Pentacles, it is also associated to the physical self, no? You have the the Eight of Wands. This is information, messages, actions that mga gagawin mo ngayong first half ng September. Maaring finally you will realize na okay, it's time to take action. It's time to, parang yung iba kasi feeling nyo mabagal yung nangyayari or yung paggalaw ng sitwasyon nyo or ng buhay nyo, but hindi lang siguro kayo nagte-take action. Pwede kasing may hinihintay lang kayo. So, this is the time for you to follow your dreams, follow your plans to make it happen. And minsan, kailangan rin maghintay. Kailangan mo rin na parang, okay, ito yung proseso na kailangan mo pagdaanan. At, just wait for the perfect time, or parang, not actually the perfect time, like, wait for the results. Halimbawa, ginawa mo na yung action na kailangan mong gawin, and then be more patient pagdating sa paghihintay ng resulta na yon. Kasi eventually, you will see results when you work for it. Yung talagang naging consistent ka. You have the Tower. Things are changing for some of you, Leo. May mga bagay na kailangang mabuwag para may maitayo ulit. Okay, if you get my point. And then, you have the Two of Swords. It is a decision na kailangan mong gawin. If things are not, kumbaga, kung may mga bagay na hindi na nag-work para sa'yo, it's time to make that decision. Na, okay, tapos na to. Ayoko na dito. It's no longer serving me. And then, work on something that will serve you better. The Two of Wands, you have a lot of options, no? May options naman eh. Minsan sabihin na iba, walang choice. Maari rin kasing hindi lang natin kinoconsider yung ibang choice na yon or ibang options na yon is because inconvenient na sa atin. Pero ang option na yon will always be there. Okay, so overall energies, the lovers, this is your commitment. Commitment mo sa sarili mo, commitment mo sa pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mo ma-achieve. Hindi kasi natin pwede na ipakita. Kasi minsan nagko-call out sa YouTube na mga SPG daw, ganyan. Anong tawag doon? Yung parang, oo, basta ganun. Basta pag na may nakikita na, drawing, kahit drawing eh. Oo. Anyway, so ayun, the lovers is about commitment, yung decision din to na you are on a crossroad, making that decision, anong path yung iti-take mo. So, I think ngayong first half ng September, it's about time to finally make that decision. And as your challenge, you have the Hermit. The Hermit is reassessing your situation. Maaring may mga pinagninilay-nilayan ka na masarap, masaya pa ba? Masaya pa ba dito? Or you want something new, you want to explore something more meaningful para sa'yo. And the star, ito may malaking star dito, it symbolizes hope and your dreams, 'di ba? Na as long as guided ka ng hopes and dreams mo, hindi ka maliligaw, kumbaga, And then your opportunity is to finally end a situation that is stressing you out. Yung mga sitwasyon na nakaka-stress para sa'yo. Pwedeng relationship, connection with someone, trabaho, career, or business that is stressing you out na parang ang hirap ng ipagpatuloy, ang hirap ng gawin, ang hirap ng i-pursue. Kasi you already, kumbaga ang dami ng source dito sinubukan mo na siyang i-revive, sinubukan mo, you did your best, nag-try ka na magstay, nag-try ka ipaglaban, pero hanggang doon na lang yung energy mo, no? So it's time to explore new things. You have that opportunity to finally let it go and release. And then your blessing is the Page of Swords. So meron kang magiging idea ngayong first half ng September na sasagot yan sa mga tanong mo, sasagutin yan yung mga gumugulo sa isip mo. And finally, this is a solution para sa'yo, solution sa situation mo, sa mga dapat mong gawin. Some of you may mga pinagdadaanan sa career, sa trabaho, pwedeng sa pera, you feel like you are no longer happy. Dito sila problema sila. Hindi na sila inspired sa trabaho, sa work, pwedeng pati sa finances ninyo, nakaka-apekto na yung income ninyo dahil hindi na kayo ganun ka excited sa work, hindi na kayo ganun ka inspired. So you need to look for that inspiration within you. And then sa love life, you have the King of Swords. This is a very cold energy, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring cutting off connections or umiiwas muna sa mga relationships na nagbibigay lang sa inyo ng stress. Can be any type of relationship, no? Pwedeng sa romantic, family, friends, fertility. So, it's time to be more productive, Leo. Okay? Ikaw ang may hawak niyan ng productivity mo. And 37 in numerology is number 1 kasi 3 plus 7 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 is about new beginnings. So, magsisimula ka ng maging productive ngayong first half ng September. You will also focus on improving yourself, the way you look. Ayan, tawag dyan ay glow up ka. And then, imagination. Ayan, mas magiging malawak rin yung iyong imahinasyon ngayon. Pwedeng may mga creative ideas ka that you will finally pursue. Or yung iba, maaring may susubukan kayong bagong libangan, hobby, no? Na kung saan doon nyo madadivert yung attention nyo. And eventually, marirealize na madidiscover nyo na, this can be a new career or this can be a new source of income or maaring ito yung bibigay sa'yo ng bagong inspirasyon sa buhay. You have the Sun in Aries in the first house, assertion. So, be more proactive, no? Mas maging assertive ka sa mga goals mo na yung bang nasa iyo yung offense, kumbaga, na ikaw yung mangunguna. Ikaw yung magte-take ng step to make it happen para sa sarili mo. You have Moon in Gemini in the third house, which is adaptability. Third house is about your knowledge, yung communication. So, some of you, importante rin yung nakakapag-network kayo. Yung meron kayong mga bagong friends, connections, or alam mo na, yung it's like socializing. Dahil yung pagsusocialize na yun will also lead to new opportunities in the future. You have the Sun in Aquarius in the 11th house. 11th house is community. So, maaring mas magiging open ka to work with others, to connect with others, or to be part of a community. Let's say, community sa internet, no? Or mga groups na nagsusupport sa pare-pareho nyong interest. Kasi let's say sa Facebook, marami mga groups dyan. Depende sa interest mo. Interest mo halaman, o may ganun. May halaman group. Interest mo sasakyan. May auto group. May mga ganun. The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. O untapped potential. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo pa to na-explore, pero aware ka na meron kang inclination doon. So, maaring i-explore mo na yan. And then, your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo is going to be your divine guidance. Patungo sa path that will bring you happiness, fulfillment in the future. So, be open sa mga bagong potentials, or makikita mo, discover mo sa sarili mo na maaring sa ngayon hindi mo pa nakikita yung resulta niyan, but in the future it will unfold, no? Ayan. So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.